Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a shelf on the wall. You will need some basic accessories. You will need drills. How to choose the appropriate one. It depends on the type of material. You can see few examples. Then, measure the distance. If you want it to be perfectly positioned, push the shelf to the wall and enjoy the magic. Now we need to drill some holes in the wood. Put these screws into the previously drilled holes.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Mark the place on the wall. Then drill a hole. I recommend you to use a vacuum cleaner. If you have some questions, you have an email in the description.
downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna.
I hope that you found help that you were looking for. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.